To install the poly roof kit on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Install the hoop and latch into the clamp base. Next, install the clamp assemblies to the roof panel with fasteners per assembly. Torque fasteners until fully seated. Do not over-tighten fasteners. Install 2 U-nuts onto the rear mounting points. Then install the seal onto the front of the panel. Put the roof panel on top of the ROPS. Then install the roof panel to the ROPS with 2 fasteners installing into U-nuts. Do not torque fasteners at this time. Next, install the roof panel to the ROPS with 2 clamp assemblies. After that, install rear of roof panel with 2 fasteners. Torque fasteners to specification. Then torque the 2 roof fasteners to specifications. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.